So I know some people like the idea of taking a winter hike, but don't really want to do it themselves. So here, I'll do the cold for you.
All right, we're gonna walk this trail. They're saying there's wind chill advisories. They get all wound up. I got my hat on though now. Okay, I will admit one thing. These are winter boots. These are really not hiking boots. So they're very, very warm. And they go one after the other. But you got to be careful when you're walking down the trails. It's a heron. Dang it. Must be freezing his tail feather off. It's 3 degrees, dude. You don't go south? Apparently not, or you would not be here. In the water. People were not meant to be outside. Alright, if you can, have a great and wonderful day. Stay warm, stay safe. Made it up that without falling. Not really a trail, but I know where I wanted to go. Alright. Alright, I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna head back. I'd say I'm cold, but I'm really not that cold. We gotta head that way. Up that trail. Now, I need to put my gloves back on because my hands are cold, but keep hiking. I'm going to say have a great and wonderful day, just in case I don't feel like saying anything again. I probably can't read it, but it was put up in August of '73 saying, enjoy this. Take it in. Respect it. And keep it for the next people. Alright, we're going to keep hiking.
As is my always, I decided to keep hiking.
The sign says the bridge is closed. I'll go ahead and pay attention and listen. You can step over that real super easy. But I'll play by the rules today. Ooh, there's some ice over there. It is wild that the water's still flowing. Because, seriously, it's 5 degrees. Could be as low as 3. It's snowing a little bit. Beautiful though. Beautiful.
It does take a lot for moving water to freeze.
Okay, you gotta keep moving. It won't give you any scope, but it's a nice little gorge. Can a gorge be little? Yes, I think they can. Moving on. That's a cabin over there. I've never noticed it before. I don't know what it is. Interesting. I don't know if you can rent them or what's going on with it. Creek. So I kind of hiked longer than I intended. Signs for where to go. This way we came up, and we're going to do the North Rim Trail to get back. But we got a little hike ahead of us. That way. Just gotta keep going. I might have went further than I should have. Walkie walk. Alright, so I'm ending up pretty much where I started that other hike. Well, not started. Where I came off the road onto the trail. Onto the Clifton Gorge Trail. So we go up to the road. The campground's over that way. Maybe a mile. 3/4 of a mile. Every bit of 5 miles on this one. I get myself, every now and then I get myself where I just go too far. I didn't plan to go this long. Hopefully the cats are still good. Yeah, at least 5 miles. Maybe 6. Let's get going. We'll just take the road back. You might not be able to see him, but I see Eddie between the trees. Probably not, but I got him. So, might be a nice sunset here in a few minutes. And there's Eddie over there. And I'm gonna go ahead and say, have a great and wonderful day.